Hey there, gift card enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks super simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into something that's always handy to know: how to check your Dairy Queen gift card balance in 2025. Whether you're treating yourself to a blizzard or sharing with friends, keeping track of your balance ensures you never miss out on that delicious ice cream. This process is quick, easy, and can be done in a few minutes from the comfort of your home or on the go. First off, let's start with the most convenient method: checking online. Open your web browser and head straight to the official Dairy Queen website. Look for the Gift Cards section, usually found in the top menu or under Services. Once you're there, you'll see an option to check your balance. Enter your gift card number and the security code from the back of the card. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. If you prefer using your phone, download the Dairy Queen app from your App Store. After installing it, create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the gift card section in the app, input your card details, and voila! Your balance will pop up instantly. This is perfect for when you're out and about, maybe even in line at a DQ. Another option is calling customer service. Dial the Dairy Queen support number, which you can find on their website or the back of your gift card. Have your card ready, and a friendly representative will help you check the balance over the phone. It's a bit old school but reliable, especially if you're not tech savvy. Lastly, if you're near a Dairy Queen store, just pop in and ask an employee to check it for you. They'll scan the card at the register, and you'll know your balance right away. Plus, you might be tempted to grab a treat. And there you have it, folks. Checking your Dairy Queen gift card balance in 2025 is easier than ever. Give it a try next time you have a card, and let us know in the comments if this helped. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.